Hey YouTube, Small Reviews here again. And today I have this USB 3.0 hub that I just purchased. This comes from a company called Vantech, and basically I wanted to buy a USB 3.0 hub that wasn't directly from Apple or any of those companies that sell them for way too expensive. This, I believe, I can't remember how much it cost, but I definitely know I bought it because it was way less expensive. It took me a little bit to find it, but I got this, and the reason why I got this one is because it does have a slot here to go ahead and plug in for power. And what that means is that if you do have this plugged in, as you can see, it has a USB-C connector. I don't have to buy an adapter for it. So I could just plug this in. I know this has a little bit more power, so I'm hoping that two USB 3.0 drives or whatnot could be powered with just this alone. But that's something to test. That's what we're gonna do here today. But as you can see, it has 3 there, 1 there, and then it has the ability to go ahead and give it some juice. But in the packet itself, it does not have any sort of USB cable adapter or plugs. I'm assuming they just want you to buy that on your own. But it's not advertised that that they do sell it or anything. So I went ahead and got the least expensive. So what I'm gonna do is gonna go ahead and plug it into my MacBook 2016 MacBook Pro with Touch Bar. Again, I don't have to have any of the adapters, just a simple plug-in. I can tell you it does seem somewhat crooked. Sorry, I'm trying to get this out there. It's kind of hard to see there. It seems a little bit crooked, but I don't think it should affect the functionality of it. So let's go ahead and take this out. Okay, I'm already open to the Blackmagic this speed test. I just did a review on another video, so I'm just gonna go ahead and plug this in, and we're gonna be using an mSATA hard drive. So it's an mSATA to USB 3.0. It is using USB Type B, if I remember correctly. See if we can get that to focus. There we go. So that's the plug that it's using. So just go ahead and connect that there. And it is USB 3.0. We're just going to go ahead and plug this in here and give it a speed test. Alright, so I went ahead and plugged it in. As you can see, the little green light turns on. Very good so far. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug it into the corner or the edge right there. Alright, as you can see, the hard drive is on. It is blinking. It is turning on. And I'm just waiting for the laptop itself. There it goes. It is there. So let's go ahead and run that speed test. I'm going to go ahead and focus it on here. Again, apologize, I have to manually focus. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and select the target drive, which of course is the mSATA, which is already there. Just going to go ahead and hit open again, and then we're going to get the speed test started. Very good. Very good so far. 378 megabytes per second, 408.8. That's just exactly what I did on the last speed test. We're looking at that it's the same as the drive actually plugging in directly. And there you have it, folks. This Vantech USB 3.0 hub with the Type-C connector is a really good buy. I would highly recommend it. Just throughout this video that I just compressed, I am showing you that you can connect 2 hard drives and transfer files between them without any issues. So again, I highly recommend this video, and
feel free to leave any comments down below, any questions. Subscribe to it, share it, and hopefully this helps you out. But I just, kept talking, and it just got a little bit boring, so I just thought I'd compress it and help you guys out. See you in the next one.